Hello, dreamers. For the desires of the flesh are against the spirit, and the desires of the spirit are against the flesh. For these are opposed to each other, to keep you from doing the things that you want to do. Do you ever feel conflicted within yourself or questioning your good intentions? Spiritual warfare causes you to have an internal war, and your sinful nature begins to control you. But you must flee from your fleshly desires and surrender to your spirit. During these times, you must pray, read the Bible, and put on your armor of God.